Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexa's here with Haute Modesty, and today I have my Allure box for, I believe this is for May, and it's a little bit heavy, so I hope it's getting better. And if you're interested in seeing what's inside, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are having a good day or maybe a good week. And so today I do have my Allure box, and I'm kind of excited because it's a little bit heavy, and I'm thinking, what's going on here? And so let's see what I have. And as you guys know, when you open the box, it says from the beauty experts. Okay, that's what it says on the box, and it will usually give you, usually it has a picture of some beautiful woman. And Stop Asian Hate. $200 plus box. I wonder what this is. Did I order this extra? I'm not really sure. I didn't think I did. But it seems like a box that I don't recognize, and it doesn't have all of the items inside. And let me look and see. Maybe this is something that I ordered extra. But if that's the case, I think I ordered... No, that's Birchbox. I would order 2 of them. So let me take a look and see here. Okay. I have a big miss here. I've been doing videos, and I just opened my Bolzano's purse. My purse subscription. And if you didn't see that, you need to see it. It's like... Oh my gosh, yeah, there's nothing like it. Anyway, let me just put on my glasses because everything is buried here, so sorry about that. Okay, it says here, this limited edition box includes Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, full size, AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for face, full size, Eye Opening Liner, full size, Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel, full size, and a More Pacific Time Response Eye Cream, Amuse Dew Tint, which is full size, and Woohoo First Care Activating Serum by Banana & Company Zero Pore Cleansing Balm. And so these are all, okay. So let's see. It must be something I ordered and didn't remember. I still don't remember. I have to look it up. So anyway, Saturday Skin, here it is, Rub-A-Dub, and this is a, let's see, a cleanser. And it is full size, and here it is. And so I'm going to have to look it up and see, is this our monthly box? What's going on here? Okay, that's that. And then next item is this is a trial size, you can tell. This is Perfect Shine Oil Mist. And this is for color and heat protectant. Oh, this must be for the hair. And of course it is, because you know what? I have the scrub, and I love the scrub. And this is the heat protectant for the hair. And next is the Zero. Let's see. Yep, this is a balm, and it's by Zero. It's by Banana Company. I love this. Actually, this is one of the best makeup and waterproof sunscreen remover, I think. I mean, this is a very affordable. And it's called Clean It Zero. And it's a balm that you put on your face, and then you take a tissue and wipe it off. And it's part of the 2-step, and then you wash after. And these actually are priced very nicely, and they work as good as the Take the Day Off by Clinique. And so I really do enjoy these. And they do come in different colors, and I don't know why it's different colors. I mean, it might be fragrance, so yeah. All right, and then the next thing in this box is called the Peach and Lily, and it's called Glass Skin Resurfacing Serum. This is full size, okay? And I know this box is over $200 worth of products. I do know that. It says it is a limited edition box, $200+ value. And so, yep. So I must have ordered it specially. I think I paid $40 for this, if I'm not mistaken. And so here it is. Here is the serum. It comes like this, and It is a pump, which I love the pump, and I'm not going to use it right now because, you know, I have some other serums going. But this is Gloss Serum Refining Serum, and it's let's see, translucent and luminous. So, yep, it's a peptide complex. So, okay, we'll see. And next, I have, again, I believe this is full size, AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for the face. Eye cream for face. That's weird, right? Eye cream for the face. Where else do you have eyes? I really, as much as my daughter would like to believe it, I do not have eyes in the back of my head. So, but this one says, read it. It says essential, I mean, eyes for the face. What is that? Did somebody use Google Translate and just translate it to that? I don't know. That's weird, right? So I'm going to have to look this stuff up because there's not a whole lot here. It says Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. Yeah, that's what it says. Yeah, you know, sometimes when it's a foreign company, and I swear they use Google Translate, and it doesn't translate. So, yeah. So that happens a lot with, like, Arabic, because I do some editing for some companies. And when they translate Arabic into English, and then I edit from there, I'm like, what the heck? What is that? What does that mean? What does that even mean? And, you know, it's because some people use Google Translate and they don't properly translate it. And so, yeah. Anyway, so this one here, Time Response Eye Rescue Cream. Okay, and this is by Amore Pacific. Okay, and this is a deluxe sample size. And let's see. And you know what? They say these are deluxe sample size, these eye creams. Man, but they last me forever. These. But you know what? Maybe not this one because look, they cheat. Look how deep that is. And it's just a teeny bitty bit. Okay, guys. It's okay. All right, that's that. And then next is this Amuse. And this is Dew Tint. And this is for lips and cheeks, I think. Yep, it is. And it's in this color here. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't do like face tints. I mean, really. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. Oh, it's really pretty. That is pretty. How does that work? Yeah, but it's really pretty. Look at this color. Huh. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this in our future giveaway. So that's that. And next, there is a small thing here. It's by Swalowhusu. Okay, there it is. And it looks like something of an Asian beauty. And let me take a look real quick. And you know what? What happened to my magnifying glass? It just like disappeared. Oh, there it is. Oh my God. Can I do it without? Nope. There it goes. Things started falling down. I have my magnifying glass because these things are written so teeny. Even with my glasses, I can't read them. You see that? It's like, what is that? Okay, it says here, it's a First Care Activating Serum. And this is, what does that mean? It's Korean, yeah, because it's a lot of it, this is written in Korean. And let's see what the, it looks like just a skin serum. So what do you activate? I guess you're activating your skin. I guess so. But it says here, this serum improves major signs of aging while boosting your routine. Boosting my routine? Okay. All right. And let's see. 5 Korean herbs that soothes, nourishes, and firms for healthy glow. So to use after facial wash in the morning and evening, pump 2 to 3 onto palm and apply with fingertips. Okay, so I guess in a regular size, it comes in a pump, I would imagine. But because this one I don't think is a pump, is it? Oh, it is. It is a little pump. It's cute. It's a little miniature pump. There it is. And so, yeah, I'm going to give it a try. I give that a try. Okay, and I think the last thing in the box is, oh no, a couple more things. Here is a eye-opening liner. And this is an eyeliner. I'm not going to open it because it looks like this is the packaging. This is very nice. It's black. And it says eye-opening UZ Flourish. And glossy and intense black creates an eye-opening statement. Okay, it's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, phthalate-free, sulfate-free, and dye-free. And so, yeah, okay. Interesting. I'm not going to open it, though, because I have a lot of eyeliner. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the future giveaways. And this is the last thing here. And this is the one I think I want to use, right? Yeah, it's called Honey Jarrett Super Beauty Tea Mask. And it's a rose blend with Jarrett tea. So here it is. It's a face mask, and I'm really down to use this. So I heard good things about it. So, yeah, that's that. So that's what I got in my Allure box. But I think I already got my May box, right? Didn't I do an opening? So this might be a special edition one that I saw, maybe Asian Beauty or something, and I paid $40 for it and got $200 worth of stuff. And so what did I get? So I got the Honey Jarrett mask. I received a UZ eyeliner. Okay. And I also received the little Korean Beauty primer, skin primer, and a Muse tint for lips and cheeks and wherever else you want the pink. And here is the Perfect Shine. This is the hair oil. And this is full size Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub-Dub Scrub. Next, it is a full size glass skin serum. And again, the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for the face. Not for the eyes, behind your back, behind your head. This is for the face. Make sure you get it right. Okay? And then this teeny tiny, eye cream sample. And I think, is that it? That's it, right? Oh, yeah. And then that the zero in a little container to take that, it rolled down there. So, yeah. And that is the facial sunscreen cleaner or makeup remover. Okay, so that's that, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you enjoyed this. It was really quick, but I'm trying to record multiple videos here, one after the other. And so, yeah, you know, one thing I did forget to do, I got to give you this because this is going up on different days. And so I have to make sure I do this. Ooh, I almost forgot. Okay, so here we go. I see every challenge as an opportunity to grow stronger. Beautiful. I see every challenge as an opportunity to grow stronger. Heck, with all the challenges out there, man, you'd be Superman in no time. Yeah, or Wonder Woman, right? Because I see every challenge as an opportunity to grow stronger. Yep, use it. Use those challenges. Make yourself smarter. Make yourself stronger, faster. That sounded like the Bionic Woman, right? The Bionic Man. Da-na-na-na. You guys remember that? I'm dating myself. Leave majors. Sorry about that. There we go. I digress. Okay, so in case you want to screenshot that. And in the back it says, how have I shown resilience and strength lately? And how can I apply the lessons I learned to future challenges? Very interesting. Those are very good questions to ask yourself. Yeah. Yep, definitely. There are plenty of challenges out there, boys and girls. And I mean, make it an opportunity. Turn that challenge into an opportunity. Make yourselves, like I said, no joke, smarter, stronger, more resilient. And sometimes, you have to come up for air because things do get too much. But when that happens, just clear your mind. Think of positive things. Look for the silver lining, okay? In everything that you do. And just remember, you are important. You're important to somebody, okay? So just keep that in mind. So, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value today, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of, product, no. This type of, I ran out of word here, guys. Topics, no, that's not it. Content, maybe, that's better. So, anyway. So, as I was saying, make it an opportunity. And so, again, my beautiful wildflowers, have a good day, have a good night, have a good week, or have a good weekend, whenever you're watching this. It doesn't matter. Just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.